All right, I'm on Miami Beach around the 5,000 block. I'm gonna do a 4K walk along the boardwalk. Well, it's actually a brick walk, but I'm gonna see this GoPro 9 4K on the boardwalk slash brick walk. I'm gonna do about a 2-block walk. Quick peek at the beach. I'm staying at a hotel on 54 in Collins, so this is pretty much the beach right behind it. Quick peek at the water. Now the sun is setting a little bit, and this is literally the day after Hurricane Ian came through Florida. So the clouds you see are outer bands, the remaining outer bands of the hurricane that came pretty close to Miami. It didn't hit Miami, but we got a lot of the wind and rain. So go down the boardwalk. Floral and fauna. I got the camera about 3 feet from the ground. Staying at the Castle Club hotel or apartment condominiums, whatever the hell it call it, Castle Club. It's all right, a little outdated. Hi, Bobby. Hey, hey. Yeah, the hotel's decent, a little outdated, but it's got a pool. It's right on the beach. The only thing is a lot of the crap's closed. They closed the tiki bar by the pool. They closed it like an hour ago, and it's not even sunset yet. They have a Russian Turkish spa. I guess that's like a hot tub shit or whatever, and that's been closed the whole time we were here. The pool is finally open, but it was only closed because of Hurricane Ian getting so close to us. Woo, woo. But for the price, it wasn't bad. It was only like 70 bucks a night, plus resort fee was like 30 bucks a night or whatever. So for 4 nights, it was like 400 and something dollars with taxes and fees and all that shit. So you get what you pay for. All right. You want a hotel that's literally right on the beach? You walk out the hotel and walk about 10 steps and you're on the beach, then Castle Club is it. And nothing too fancy. Looks like it used to be fancy back in the day, but it's got a little age on it. Rooms are decent. You know, room's got everything you could think of. It's got the towels, all the appliances, you know, refrigerator, stove, coffee machine, blah blah blah. Even got like paper towels, and even got pool chairs and umbrellas in the closet for you to use. So this is it here, Castle Club. Of course, we got it for the price I said, for like 400 and something for 4 nights, because it's hurricane season. It's kind of off season. This is it here. Right there. See the beach access, and then straight to the showers. That's the hotel. It goes all the way up to like the 17th floor or something like that. Then you walk in. Here's the pool. That white building behind the pool was the tiki bar until they closed that shit so early. And then, all right, rinse my feet off. Pool's a little dirty from all the hurricane sand and shit. Hold on. Do that again. Do that again. Sandpaper feet going on from the sand rubbing against the flip-flops. See, the sun's starting to set. It's a little cloudy, but wife is up in the hotel room getting ready. We're gonna go out for dinner. The baby's sleeping. I'm gonna continue this in a second. See, this is Turkish, Russian and Turkish bath since 1892, but not since we've been here on vacation, so it's been closed the whole time. This is the lower level. I mean, the hotel's got, you know, a restaurant or two in it. It's got stores on 2 different levels, you know, bike rentals. Here's one of the stores. Bike rentals, you know, shampoo. This is like a little advertisement for one of the restaurants they have upstairs called Hookah Lounge and Blue Gin. We're not going to eat there. It's probably a little too pricey. Plus, we want to get out of the hotel sometimes. You know. Then you just hit the floor number you're going to. Hotel's got a gym, which is open. The pool, you saw it. The hot tubs closed down for some damn reason, but it's right on the beach. The only problem is you got free parking, but you can't park your own car. Valet parking has to do it. Sometimes you got to stand there and wait forever for the valet drivers. That kind of sucks. But other than that, free parking. my floor. I mean, if you're just coming to splash around at the beach or go out for a night on the town, you need a place to crash. It's not too bad. Whoa, there's a flooded lake and a beautiful lady. What you guys doing? You gotta wring these clothes out or something. You can't have that much water in it if you didn't wring it out. This is the room here. Oh, I'm gonna get water all over the place.
Is that the beach?
Yes, I'm recording. Window view. Downtown. So. Okay.